When the family has a really long day of work on the ranch, it's really hard for them to stop, drive to the house, have lunch, then drive back. It kind of kills the momentum. So portable lunches always come in handy. I'm going to take them ranch-style chicken sandwiches, one of my husband's favorite sandwiches. They're grilled chicken breasts topped with bacon and cheese, and they are oh so delicious. I've just fried 12 pieces of bacon. It's just barely crisp. So I'm going to take it out and let it drain on a paper towel. I'll turn off the heat, but I'm going to use this grease later. Now I'm going to make the marinade for the chicken. I'll start with half a cup of honey. This is sort of a honey mustard marinade, and it is delish. And then half a cup of Dijon mustard. Slice a lemon in half and add the juice. Now I'll just add about a teaspoon of paprika. Gives it a really nice flavor. I'm not into measuring cups or measuring spoons today, as you can tell. And then for just a little spice, some crushed red pepper, and then just some salt and black pepper. And that's the marinade. I'll just give it a whisk. All right, now I'll get the chicken ready. I've got 4 pretty big chicken breasts. Now, a lot of times I'll put them inside a big plastic bag and pound them a little flat, but these are big enough that I'm actually going to cut them in half. And I don't mean in half this way. I'll just put my hand on top of the chicken, press lightly, and then cut the piece right in half. I like to do this rather than pounding them flat because you still keep the regular shape of the chicken breast, but it's a little thinner. Now I'll just throw those into the marinade and I'll cut the rest of them up. Toss it around so they're all coated. Now I'm going to get these on the grill because the fence fixers are going to be hungry. The family's fixing fence all day today, so I'm making them ranch-style chicken sandwiches for lunch. I love this marinade. The honey gives it sweetness, the Dijon mustard gives it a nice tang, and the crushed red pepper flakes make it a little bit spicy. Oh, so much good stuff going on. These need to cook about 3 to 4 minutes on the first side. Now, I fried some bacon earlier, so I'm going to take some of the grease from the skillet and just brush a little bit on top of each piece. Adding just a little bit of bacon flavor to the chicken breast sends them over the top. Delish. Plus, I just love brushing bacon grease on things. All right, now I'll just let the chicken cook, and I'm going to grate up some cheese. One of the great things about the sandwiches is they're topped with sharp cheddar cheese. Those donuts were yummy this morning, but they've been working so hard out there, I'm sure they're already starving again. I need about 2 cups of grated cheese, and I think I'm just about there. So I'm going to check on my chicken. Ooh, looks like it's ready to flip. Yep. Yum, it smells so good in this kitchen. I love indoor grills. If you don't have a grill, you can just cook these in the skillet. I do that all the time. I was just in a grilling mood today. They'll only take about 2 more minutes on this side. Now I've got the bacon that I fried earlier. I actually cut the pieces in half, so I have 12 slices of bacon that are halved. It makes them a little bit easier to cover the chicken. The chicken and bacon go so well together. The chicken's nice and moist, and the bacon's a little bit crispy and chewy. Oh, it's so, so good. All right, these are going to be done before too long. So I'll grab the cheese. I love these sandwiches. They make me happy. And then I'll just top each piece of chicken with plenty of cheese. All right. Now by the time the chicken's done, the cheese is going to be melted, so I'll get the buns ready. I'm making chicken sandwiches topped with bacon and cheese, brushed in bacon grease as they cooked. So I'm going to go with whole grain rolls. It's the right thing to do, I think. A lot of times when I make burgers or sandwiches, I like to grill the rolls, but with this sandwich, I love for the roll to be really, really soft because there's a lot going on inside and it just sort of soaks up the moisture from the chicken. I'm getting hungry, can you tell? Okay, the cheese is melted. The chicken looks delicious. I'm gonna go ahead and build the sandwiches. Just put them right from the grill straight onto the bun. I love wrapping these in foil and delivering them because something happens in that foil. The bun just keeps getting softer and softer and it keeps the chicken warm. Yum. Perfect portable lunch. All right, now I'll just turn off the grill and get these wrapped up. Now I'm just gonna pack these up with some bottles of water and some apples, and that is the perfect lunch for a family of fence fixers.
Hey, honey.
Hey, I got food.
Bacon's good, Mama.
I thought you'd like that.
That's good, honey.
These are good.
Where's the hot sauce? Pete needs some hot sauce, honey.
I forget I should carry it in my console in my car.